Oh, I didn't see you there. Alright, welcome to the DNA extraction experiment. Now, first things first, we're going to add peas to a blender. And we are going to be extracting the DNA from the cells of the peas. And then we're going to want to add water. Now, when you're adding water, do not add warm water. If you add warm water, then not going to go too well, because the warm water, how do I put this? The cold water slows down the enzyme that breaks down DNA, so you're not going to be able to see the DNA too well if you use warm water. Cold water slows that enzyme, so here you go. Now salt. Basically, salt does, and it helps so you can see the DNA. Simple as that. Alright. So, while I'm blending here, alright, so what the blending basically did is it got rid of the cell wall completely. There's no more cell wall, so DNA will be able to get out. Alright, so now strainer, there it is. I'm going to be using a measuring cup. Alright, that is disgusting. Alright, so now we have our pea soup, we could call it, and now we have to add detergent. Alright. Alright, so the detergent, you know how you have like the cell wall? Well, you have the cell membrane too. Basically what the detergent does is it breaks up the cell membrane and it allows the DNA to be released from the nucleus. And now it's the waiting game. See you in a minute. Wait, where'd the blender go? It was you. Come here. Ow. Anyway, back on the note of the experiment. Yeah. Okay. Alright. This can get a little messy. Let's hope I don't make a mess, because really? Seriously, you want to be in the video? Alright. Now this looks like it just well, my cat, it looks like my cat just threw it up, so that's my description of that. A little bit more. Alright. So now, what we have to do, what I have to do, meat tenderizer. Alright, so I added the meat tenderizer to my cat's throw up. That's gonna be the new name for for the pea soup. So alright. Rubbing alcohol. Where did I put it? The cat took it. Alright. Okay. So now we're going to add rubbing alcohol to the test tube. And basically, I pour this in slow enough. Slow. I'm talking slow, like slow as a snail. Okay, that's slow, yes. Then, what am I using this for? Hang on a second. Then, it will form a layer on top of the water, or the cat's throw up, is that what you call it? That is in that, and because the cat's throw up is more dense than the rubbing alcohol. Alright. Making a huge mess. Sorry, Dad. But it's got to happen sooner or later. Alright, well. Okay, that's kind of freaky, actually. Alright. It's another waiting game. We'll see you guys. If this wins, I'm pretty sure it's not going to, but I have good intentions. So, okay, cat's eating the peas I dropped. See you in a second. So, back in the note of my cat eating the peas, now I know why her throw up's green. It explains everything. Alright, so now, after waiting, you can actually see the DNA in the test tube, which is pretty cool. And the reason we added alcohol so we can actually see the DNA because it does not dissolve in the alcohol. And we also added the meat tenderizer, so it unwinds DNA. So it's long and stringy. It is white, clear, kind of. And that is the end of our cat throw up experiment. And it kind of stinks. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of stinks. I think I want to go throw up now. Yeah. Oh, I don't feel good. All right. Don't drink that. She wanted the leftovers apparently. All right. So I've extracted the DNA and I actually put it back in the test tube. So this is what it actually looks like. It's kind of hard to see, but it is on the side of the test tube, right there. Right there. It is long and stringy. Like I said, would. And that is the end of this experiment. And, yeah. Okay. My dog, if you heard him bark a second ago, he's saying bye, by the way. So, yeah.
Yep. Yes, 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 yes.